I'm going to show you with just one 1-minute clip why the deep state, the industrial military complex, Democrats, and Fox News don't want Tucker Carlson anywhere near the 2024 presidential election. Plus, Vice President Mike Pence ends his political career in just one comment. Roll the clip.
Along the way, the Biden administration has been slow in providing military support. Make no mistake about this. We promised them 33 Abrams tanks in January. I heard again 2 weeks ago in Ukraine, they still don't have them. We've been telling them we'll train their F-16 pilots, but now they're saying maybe January we'll let somebody transfer some jets.
I'm sorry, Mr. Vice President, have you, I know you're running for president. You are distressed that the Ukrainians don't have enough American tanks. Every city in the United States has become much worse over the past 3 years.
Yeah.
Drive around. There's not one city that's gotten better in the United States. And it's visible. Our economy has degraded. The suicide rate has jumped. Public filth and disorder and crime have exponentially increased. And yet, your concern is that the Ukrainians, a country most people can't find on a map, who've received tens of billions of U.S. tax dollars, don't have enough tanks. I think it's a fair question to ask, like, where's the concern for the United States in that?
Well, it's not my concern. Tucker, I've heard that routine from you before, but that's not my concern.
So Mike Pence is asked, listen, America's getting worse. Crime's getting worse. Cities are falling apart. Infrastructure is awful. And yet all you want to do is help Ukraine. And he literally says, helping America is not my concern. Like, dude, you just fried your political career. Now, I don't believe he meant this. I don't think he was actually listening to Tucker Carlson. He was just setting up his next soundbite. But this soundbite, mark my words, will end his presidential run. And this is exactly why Tucker Carlson is becoming the most dangerous person in politics. Not because he's a politician or he's particularly great at politics. It's because he's willing to ask the questions that get to the heart of what the American people want to know. And it's exposing these politicians for the frauds that they really are.
Where's the concern for the United States in that?
Well, it's not my concern.